Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how you can select only those values from this array of a string which are starting with vowels. Either it is going to be the capital letter or the small letter. Okay, so to do that, let's move ahead, and there are basically two ways to do that. One is by using the link query, and other one is the traditional way, which is for each loop or for loop. So first I'm going to use the link queue for that. Okay, so what I will do here, I will use here the lambda expression. Okay, so here let me just put here where res, and here I'm going to use str dot where, and here I'm going to select x such that x, which is called the fat arrow syntax of x, and here I'm going to put start with, and here I'm going to put the vowel. Okay, and as you can see here, I am able to put here the string which is starting with the a, and here I am also going to put the string comparison type. Okay, because I want to select the any case, which means the value which is starting with the any case. So here it is, and here now I'm going to print this, and to print I'm going to use not for loop, I'm going to use for each. Okay, and here I'm going to put it res in the collection, and here I'm going to write a console write line to write to console the values. Okay, and here it will be item, it will be the item. Okay, and now that is all what I need to do. And here you can see here I have written code to select only those values which is starting with the a. So let me now run this project, this console project. Okay, and to use this where, make sure that you are using this system.linQ namespace. Okay, and now I'm running this, and here you can see the three values which is starting with the vowel. It is like this. Okay, Eva, Amit and Ankur, which is printing with the both cases, either it is capital or the small letter of a. And now I'm going to put the also the value for the other vowels, like for a, e, I, o, u. So what I will do here, I will put here or, and here I will put this one. Okay, and here the value will be e. Okay, in the same way it will be for o, for I, and for u. Okay, and that's it. And now let me run this project, and now the output should be Eva, Emma, Era, Olivia, Usa, Amit, and Ankur. Okay, so now let me run this. And here you can see we are getting the output as expected. Okay, so this is the first way to do the same. I mean, to select the values which is starting with the vowels only. And now I'm going to show you the same thing by using only the for each loop. So as you can see here, it is already printed, and here I just need to put one condition, which is going to start with if, and then here I am going to put this one. I will copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, and that's it, I think. Yes, and here at the place of X, what I will put here, I will put here I will put str. Okay, because this is the list of string, and here in the item I will put here like I will put it as X. Okay, and now you can see, and now I can just comment it out. Okay, and here again I can put it here. Okay, the value of X will be here. Okay, okay, now it should print the same value what I was getting using the link query. Okay, okay, now let me run it again. And you can see we are getting the same output here as well. Eva, Emma, Ira, Olivia, Usa, Amit and Ankur as the output. Okay, now let me close this. Okay, so this was the same using the for each loop. The same I can also achieve using for loop. So what I can do, just here integer X, and I'm going to start with the 0 and X should be less than the length of str. Okay, or you can say the count of X, not the length because it is not the string. Okay, it will be the count of str, and okay, and here I will, and here I will write it X plus plus. Okay, okay, and here what I can do here, at the place of X I can put here str of X. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I will run this program. And now here you can see I am getting this as a number, so I don't want to get the number. So what I need to do here, I need to print here not only the X, it is str of X. Okay, and now I will run this again, and now you can see I'm getting the same output again using for loop as well. So I hope you got the idea how we can achieve this, or how we can print only the only those values which is starting with the vowels, okay, from this array of a string. So that is all guys in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.